Are you looking for the best turntables? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best turntables on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Audio-Technica AT-LP60X-BK. The Audio-Technica AT-LP60X-BK fully automatic belt drive stereo turntable is a great choice for those looking for a high-fidelity audio experience. This turntable is fully automatic with 2 speeds, 33 1/3 and 45 RPM. It features an anti-resonance die-cast aluminium platter and a redesigned tone arm base and head shell for improved tracking and reduced resonance. The AC adapter handles AC/DC conversion outside of the chassis, reducing noise in the signal chain. Number 2. Fluance RT81 Elite High Fidelity. The Fluance RT81 Elite High Fidelity vinyl turntable is a premium belt-driven turntable that offers a pure analog listening experience. It features an Audio-Technica AT-95E cartridge with a diamond elliptical-tipped stylus for precise and accurate audio. The balanced aluminium S-type tone arm ensures the stylus is rested deep in the record's groove, producing every audio detail indistinguishable from the original recording. The turntable also has a high-mass MDF wood plinth with a Texas Instruments preamp, ground terminal, and gold-plated RCA line outputs for warm, true sound. Number 3. Sony PSL-X310BT Belt Drive Turntable. The Sony PSL-X310BT Belt Drive Turntable is a fully automatic wireless vinyl record player with Bluetooth and USB output. It features easy operation with one-step auto start, stop and return, 2 speeds, 33 1/3 revolutions per minute and 45 revolutions per minute. High-quality audio with built-in switchable phono output, line-out phono preamp and 3 gain settings, USB ripping to digital MP3 files, and a stable aluminium die-cast platter for increased clarity and hi-fi sound. It also includes a newly designed aluminium pipe tone arm for improved tracking, and comes with a removable dust cover, vibration dampening slip mat, 45 adapter, and USB-B cable. Number 4. Kedok Vinyl Record Player Turntable. The Kedok Vinyl Record Player Turntable is a great choice for vinyl lovers. It features a 3-speed turntable, 33, 45, 78 RPM, that plays all 7 inches, 10 inches, and 12 inches vinyl records. It also has a built-in Bluetooth receiver and 2 stereo speakers, allowing you to listen to music from your Bluetooth-compatible device. The turntable also has a no audio input, RCA line out, and headphone jack. It is lightweight and portable, making it a great choice for entertainment and home decoration. Number 5. Direct Drive Turntable, Black. The Audio-Technica AT-LP60X-BK Direct Drive Turntable is a fully manual, hi-fi turntable with selectable 33/45/78 RPM speeds. It features adjustable dynamic anti-skate control, variable pitch control with quartz speed lock, and balanced S-shaped tone arm with hydraulically damped lift control and lockable rest. It also includes a USB cable, detachable RCA output cable, AC adapter, 45 RPM adapter, counterweight, felt mat, and removable hinged dust cover. It is a great choice for those looking to experience the high-fidelity audio of vinyl. Number 6. Audio-Technica AT-LP60XBT-RD. The Audio-Technica fully automatic belt drive stereo turntable provides high-fidelity audio with Bluetooth wireless technology, connecting wirelessly to speakers and other devices equipped with Bluetooth wireless technology. It is also compatible with aptX codec. Fully automatic with 2 speeds 33 1/3 and 45 RPM, and features an anti-resonance die-cast aluminium platter. Additionally, it comes with a removable hinged dust cover, detachable RCA output cable, 3.5 mm male to dual RCA male, 45 RPM adapter, and power source type DC. Number 7. 1 High Fidelity Belt Drive Turntable. The 1x1 belt drive turntable is an all-in-one vinyl record player designed with a unique sense of layering and a stylish streamlined corner design. It has a magnet-type cartridge and adjustable counterweight that balance each channel and produce rich and warm audio for an authentic sound experience. The turntable spins at both 33 and 45 RPM speeds, features Bluetooth streaming capabilities, and comes with an Audio-Technica stylus cartridge for precision tracking and high-definition audio. Connect other devices through the turntable's speakers using Bluetooth or the OIN port, or externally powered speakers through the built-in amplifier.